Hey everyone, I just finished reviewing a new lawsuit filed 2 days ago in federal court by 5 former civil servants against the Office of Special Counsel, or OSC. Here's what you need to know. These employees, all probationary, were swept up in the mass firings earlier this year. They filed complaints with OSC believing those terminations were illegal, prohibited personnel practices. At first, OSC agreed, but after the administration removed the Senate-confirmed special counsel and replaced him with political appointees, OSC reversed course and closed more than 2,000 cases. That's what this lawsuit is all about. The plaintiffs argue that OSC abandoned its statutory duty under Title V of the U.S. Code. Congress created OSC to protect federal workers from prohibited personnel practices, no matter their status. By categorically excluding probationary employees, OSC didn't just change its mind, it rewrote the law without authority. In legal terms, they're claiming this was arbitrary and capricious under the Administrative Procedure Act and outside OSC's jurisdiction. Here are my first impressions as an attorney for federal employees. This is a serious, well-pled case, but it is kind of unique, so we'll have to see how it goes. The complaint doesn't challenge OSC's discretion in individual files. Instead, it targets a sweeping directive that shut the door on every probationary complaint in one stroke. Courts have repeatedly said agencies can't just flip positions without reasoned explanation. That's exactly what's alleged here, an about-face that ignored evidence and prior pleadings. So what could happen? Well, if the court agrees with the plaintiffs, OSC could be ordered to reopen thousands of closed complaints. That would be a huge win for federal employees because probationary employees usually have very limited rights to appeal, but in this case, I think they got a strong case. So OSC was supposed to be their safety net, so if the plaintiffs win, it could reaffirm that even probationary employees have protections against political purges, and OSC needs to do its job. Now, my thoughts to you are, if you are on probation, do not assume you have no rights. Act, do your best to pass probation. If you ever receive a termination or retaliatory action, document everything, try to act mindfully, and consider seeking legal counsel right away. The deadlines are short and waiting can close doors. So what do you think? Should probationary employees have stronger protections, or do agencies need flexibility? Have you or someone you know been affected by these mass firings? If so, please share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you everybody for listening. Let's make it a great day. Take care.